the next thing for us to do is to go ahead and download PROXMOX virtual environment. So I'm going to go ahead and Google again, PROXMOX for PROXMOX VE. I'm not sure what the latest version is, to be fair. So I'm just going to click enter. It's going to take me to this search here and click on the very first one that says PROXMOX virtual environment. From here, I'm going to click on where it says download here. Click on download. It's going to take me to this page, which has 3 different files. What we need is a VE, which is virtual environment. PROXMOX backup server is something completely different. PROXMOX mail gateway is something completely different again. So I'm going to click on the very first one, or move your mouse over to where it says download. Click on download and it's going to start, and just wait for that to finish. Then I'll come back. PROXMOX has finished downloading. So I'm going to do exactly what I did before. I'm going to open my Windows file explorer, which is this one here. This is my Ventoy folder. I'm going to go to my downloads folder as well. And now, as you can see here, I've got PROXMOX VE 8.4-1. Let me rename this quickly. So PROXMOX VE 8.4-1. I just like my things to have the capital letters where possible, so that's why I've renamed stuff. Like, all I have to do at this point again is simply click and hold it and drag it to the next side of my screen. Now you can copy and paste. It does exactly the same thing. You can also cut and paste. Just be aware that if you cut from one location and paste it in another location, the original file from location A, which in this case is my downloads folder, is going to be completely gone. It's not going to be there anymore. So I am not going to do that. I'm going to leave it as it is. Once that's finished, that's it. So this memory stick here now has 2 ISOs on there that I can use to boot onto any machine that has a USB port. Really nice and simple.